Yeah, people, you don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Bear. Beer vibes, beer fun, beer things must be beer facts. And watch you now. Uzu, Tyan, Dunce, the Dunce man, yeah. Yeah, trending. You don't know me at talk, though. You don't know who me at talk, man. So Valiant, big up yourself in the youth. Out to that one of them bandit. You see me and say, the youth here been putting in the work. I'm going to show the people them something. You know, more time the artists them out there for years, them out there do the thing, them do good music, good music. You know what I say? And them get no form of recognition, and them get no form of highlight. Nobody not hear them, nobody not see them. You see me? And Valiant has been an artist who has been, you know, in the music business for a while. You know, but have been getting the recognition and the highlight where, you know, he so deserves. You see me? But right now, yeah, people. Yeah, I like it. Gozo, science, dance. And when the man said dance, I mean literal dance. It's just a trending something. And if the man never said dance, it wouldn't work for him. You see what I say? Comment, like, and share if you agree with me. Yeah? If you don't like it, you know what I mean? We can debate about it. But yeah, people, right now, the artist trending in an algorithm. You see me I say? So, Sting, and normal.
Catch you at a lie, rich a lie, father. Sting 2022, plantation go, prairie, down in China.
Valiant, when they see my jeans, you know a white color. Who get that part there? When they need to listen to the song, go for the no man, go listen it. Zine, when you see me jeans, you know say a white color. You know what the artist mean by that? My choppy line, he must scale, do the thing. You see me, I send a work for him, you see me? Yeah, man, bandit. You see me, I say, can't catch him red handed. You know what I say? Yeah, PDF fire ready. You know what I mean? Bad boy, go and do the do, you know. Valiant. Yeah, youth. Yeah, find them. Yeah, my talk. You don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Bear and I'm out. You know, representing for Reggae Vibes Media. Boom!